welcome back. So I wanted to do a little like Valentine's Day makeup look, something easy that you can do on date night or whatever, and so I just thought it would be something fun to do. I already have on my foundation and bronzer and eyebrows, so I'm gonna do blush, some highlighter, a little eye look for you, and we'll see where this goes. I haven't planned any specific look out, so I'm just sort of like going with the flow here. So if you're interested in seeing what that is, then please keep on watching. So as far as blush goes, I want to use this Kosas Cosmetics cream blush in 8th Muse. It's really, really pretty. The color is like this really beautiful like watermelon-y pink color, and I'm just gonna take a little bit on my finger. Like, you need hardly any really. It's super, super pigmented, and so I'm just gonna put a little bit on here. I mean, I take very little on my finger. Okay, so I just wanted to do like a little bit of a, you know, rosy complexion. I think that looks really pretty. The highlighter in here is really, really beautiful too, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that on my finger just a little bit. I'm just gonna apply it. So there is my blush and highlighter done with the Kosas 8th Muse. So now I just want to go in and put a little bit of a lip balm on just to get my lips a little bit more hydrated before I apply some lipstick. And so I'm going to be using this Moroccan Magic in Rose. Okay. So there's that on. And I like these because they're not too shiny, and all it is organic argan oil, organic sunflower oil, organic beeswax, organic coconut oil, vitamin E, organic rose essential oil, organic rosemary extract, and organic calendula extract. So it's like, it's all 100% organic, and I really, really like these. Now I'm just going to put a little bit of an eye primer on. So I'm going to be going in with the Marc Jacobs Undercover eye primer. You know, I figured you want your eye makeup to stay a little bit longer, so going in with an eye primer is best to keep them in place. Okay, so that just smooths out for a nice base. So now I know a lot of people like to wear like pinky shades when they're doing like their Valentine's makeup, which is super cute. So I don't normally wear a whole lot of pinky shades, so I thought it would be kind of fun to do that in this video. So I'm going to be using some shadows from the Anastasia Soft Glam palette, and then some of my Marc Jacobs shadows as well. Alright, so first I'm going to be taking this Hakuhodo brush, number B214, and it's just like a big blendy brush. And then I'm also going in with the Marc Jacobs, the Big O Omega Shadow, so it's just like a neutral, like medium brown. You really don't need a whole lot, so I'm just going to be putting this right in the crease. You can take any like medium tone brown shadow for this. And the thing I like about this brush is that it's like, I have a lot of like upper eyelid space, so this brush is like so perfect for like just like applying that like crease shade to just give some definition. See, like it already just makes my eyes look a little bit bigger and a little bit more awake. I really like that, and I really love this shadow. Next I'm going to take that same Hakuhodo brush and then the Marc Jacobs Omega Shadow in Daddio, and I'm going to basically just do the same thing but focus a lot more on like the outer corner and then blending it out.
So next I want to go in with this shade called Rose Pink right here. It's just like a really light pink color. There's some shimmer to it, so hopefully I don't get too much fallout. But I'm just putting that right on my eyelid. It's like a really nice rose gold color, super pretty. Just tapping it on and like patting it on. That way I don't get too much like fallout because it is shimmery. And that way it like packs the most amount of color on. Now I want to darken up a little bit on the outer portion of my eye. Go in with my Smith Cosmetics number 253. It's just like this pointy brush, and I'm going in with Cypress Umber, this dark shade right here. Just going to focus it mostly on this outer corner. And then I'm going to go in with a blending brush. So I'm taking this Pat McGrath blending brush and just gonna blend out that color a little. Provided like a good amount of like smokiness to it, which I really like. And then I'm going back and doing this side. So now that I have that, I want to go in with this super sparkly shade called Sultry right here, and I want to add that just on this inner portion of my eyelid. It's a really pretty glitter, and I'm going to use the mirror on here so I can see. So that came out a little bit more bronzy than I was wanting. So now I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Modern Romance palette, which has a lot more like pinks and reds in it. And let's see if I can maybe pink it up just a little bit more. I think what I want to do is put this shade Love Letter right here with this Smith 220 brush. I'm going to be putting it underneath my eye right here, which may or may not make me look kind of sick, but we'll see. So then next, because I want to add just a little bit of a line on top, I'm taking the RMS Vintage Cake Liner. I'm just using like a little angled brush. And you can use this wet or dry. I'm just using it dry today. Actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna use it a little bit wet. And so one tip that I have for if you struggle with like liquid liners or anything like that is using like a cake liner like this. I think it makes it a lot easier. You have more control because you're using like a brush instead. Definitely if you struggle with like liquid liner or even gel liners, then this would be a lot easier. Plus you can just like smoke it out if you are struggling with it too much. When you're doing like a winged liner, it's good to follow like where the end of your eyebrow would be at. So like you sort of just follow where the edge of your eye meets like the end of your eyebrow. And don't worry, everyone struggles with doing winged liner, even professionals. Okay, so now I want to add a little bit of sparkle because that's sort of what I was hoping to go with all along, was adding some sparkles. So I'm going to be using the Marc Jacobs Seequins in Flashlight because I really like how bright that color is. I'm taking this Daddio Tools 777 brush. It's just like a fluffy brush. And I'm going to dip it into the sequin shadow. And now I'm going to go in with the RMS Luminizer pencil, and I'm just going to go right in the inner corner over where I put the sequins. I'm going to take a white eyeliner pencil. This is just an old MAC one that I have. And I'm going in on my inner waterline, just to make my eyes look a lot bigger. Gosh, every single time I put eyeliner on my waterline, my eyes always water. Does that happen to you guys? Okay, so I just went in with my Smith brush again and the Marc Jacobs Daddio, and I went in and just stamped it along the lash line just to make like the white liner pop a little bit more. And then now I'm gonna do curl my eyelashes, do my mascara, and I will be right back. Okay, so I just did my mascara, and I did 2 coats of the Hourglass Caution Mascara because I love that one. I just opened up a new tube, so it was nice and fresh. So I'm gonna come in closer so you can see. It's super sparkly. It's really pretty. I really, really like this actually. At first I was a little nervous because of the like red shadow underneath. I was worried about it making me look like a little ill, but it turned out really nice. Adding that little bit of Daddio on top of the Love Letter shadow really helped to like tone that redness down, and I think that that looks really pretty. And so next I want to do my lips, and so I'm gonna go in with the Kosas Cosmetics lipstick in Rosewater. I have been loving these lipsticks. They're super pretty. This pink color is like so gorgeous for like a really natural, but like almost, it's like a natural Barbie pink lip, if that makes any sense. But I've been really, really loving this. So I wiped off my lip balm and now I'm ready to apply this. So my favorite thing about the Kosas lipstick is that it's like, it doesn't feel like anything. It feels more like a lip balm, but then you can like set it down a little bit by tapping on it, and it just turns out like so beautiful. The Rosewater shade, I mean, all of their shades work for anybody, but this Rosewater one is just like one of my favorites right now. I've been wearing this like every day, just putting it on and like tapping it off. So you can stop right here if you want like a more matte lipstick, or if you want like a more glossy lip, just add like a gloss on top, which is what I'm gonna do because I always love a glossy lip. So I'm gonna use the Hourglass lip oil. Have you guys tried this lip oil? I saw that they have tinted ones that came out, and I've been wanting to try the tinted one. Like, it looks so nice. Look how pretty that looks on top of that. I really, really love that. And then just for fun, I mean, why not? Let's just add a little bit from the Anastasia Aurora Glow Kit. I'm just gonna add a little bit of this color Spectra. It looks purpley in the pan, but it's like a really pretty like pink highlight. Why not just add a little bit, you know? Valentine's Day is supposed to be fun. Why not just have a little bit of fun with it? Cool. Okay, so that's it for my little like Valentine's Day date nighty type of look. It's a little bit bronzy, a little bit smoky. There's a little bit of pink in there as like a pop for the Valentine's Day color, you know? And so yeah, I really like how this turned out. We got some sparkles going on, we've got like some winged eyeliner action, we've got a little bit of smoke happening. So, you know, there's a lot going on, but it's super easy and like simple enough to do with any products that you own, really. Like, you don't have to use any of what I had used, just whatever you have in your own, you know, makeup space that you feel comfortable using. You can also add false eyelashes to this look, but I don't use false eyelashes on myself. I like the glue, like any glue, just like bothers my eyes too much, so it's not worth using to me. So just a little bit of extra mascara for me. Do you guys have any Valentine's Day plans this year? If you do, let me know in the comments down below what you plan on doing. I really want to go see that new Rebel Wilson movie. I think it's called Isn't It Romantic? And it's with Liam Hemsworth and Rebel Wilson, and I love her. She's so funny, and I'm super excited. She used to have a show called Super Fun Night that was on like ABC, I think, and it was so cute. I just love everything that she does. So I'm really excited to go see that movie because it looks really fun. It's like her life turned into a rom-com. I love romantic comedies anyway, so I think it'll be really fun to go and see. Alright, so I think that's officially it. I hope that you have a very Merry Valentine's Day. I guess that works. I hope you have a very Merry Valentine's Day. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if there's any like makeup tutorials or anything, like any type of makeup looks that you want to see videos on, let me know in the comments down below too, because I'm always open to ideas of different videos to do, and I'd love to see what you guys want me to do. So let me know in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notifications button too to let you know every time I upload a new video. I really appreciate you watching this. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!